So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPUSD. So first thing first, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments. Also make sure you follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So once again guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the YouTube membership program that is currently ongoing, you can check the channel. You will see the subscribe button of the YouTube membership program at the top. Make sure you subscribe so that once we drop one or two updates, you will definitely not going to miss out on the updates. Right now, if you take a look at this movement right here on our GBP it is very clear and it is very simple. GBP is on a bearish move, right? Although this is a main trend right here, our main trend on GBP is on a ranging market move. That is it, right? GBP is literally ranging. So market was able to rally up to tap our resistance. When it got to the resistance level, it rejected and dropped to tap our supports. Then ejected from the support level and came back to tap our resistance. Market eventually rejected from the resistance, dropped to tap our support, then came back to tap our resistance, then rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support level, then also rejected from our support level and came back to tap our resistance. So market is currently rejecting from this resistance level, so we should expect the rejection to continue to drop till it is able to tap our support level. Now this is for swing traders. If you are looking at this movement for about couple of days or weeks, right? If you want to hold your position for a long time, I would say you should go in for the sell. The market is able to tap this your support level, right? So we will be expecting market to drop so it is able to tap our support level. That movement will be giving us about 200 plus pips. So you can see we have about 200 potential pips to grab on our GBPUSD. So if you are not yet in the sale, make sure you click on the subscribe button and make sure you sell, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel so that once we drop more updates, you would not miss out on the updates. You can also like, share, and also subscribe to the membership, to our YouTube membership for more updates.